Good morning. Today is Tuesday, January 15th, 2019. My name is Tom Kalinowski. I'm the Director of Technology and Operations at Colonial Intermediate Unit 20. And today we're going to go over a feature in yet another mail merge. Specifically, how you could include a one-question poll in the custom email that you send out. Let's get started. Alright, so we have ourselves a spreadsheet. In my example, I have first name, last name, email address. You can have as many columns as you'd like. Go ahead and click on Add-ons, Yet Another Mail Merge, and then Start Mail Merge. After that comes up, pick your recipients column. In this particular case, the email addresses for my spreadsheet are in the email address column, so we're going to go ahead and keep that and click on Save. Okay, that brings you to this screen. We want to pick our email draft, so go ahead and click on that drop down, and we will select the draft. And in this particular case, we're going to select this one, Workshop Attendance. We want to track emails that are opened or clicked. We also, though, want to do a poll. And you see it here, if you hover over it, it says Let People Answer simply by clicking on a link. This is what we want to do. So if we go ahead and click on Setup, it brings you to a support page. And ultimately, what we're looking for is this link right here. So I'll show you where we want to put this. So let's go ahead and highlight this. Okay, and let's go to our email draft. Alright, so we can see our email draft here. You see my 2 lines blank. I have a subject in there. I have some dynamic tags in there. I'm doing first name because that's the column in my spreadsheet. But what we want to do is we want to apply a link to yes and not now, but no. Let's fix that. Alright, so let's go ahead and double click on yes. Let's click the hyperlink button and go ahead and paste that address in. So we'll paste it, and where it says your response, I want this response to be recorded as yes, and I'm going to do the same thing for no. I'm going to double click it, click on the link, paste, and we're going to say no. You can put whatever you'd like in there. It's just in this particular case, I'm saying yes or no. They're going to be able to attend the workshop. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and close that draft and go back to the spreadsheet. Alright, now that we are back into the spreadsheet, let's go ahead and click on back. Now we're all set. Now we can go ahead and send those 2 emails. Let's click Send 2 Emails. You'll see that it starts to send those emails at the bottom. It says 0 of 2, 1 of 2, 2 of 2. It doesn't matter how many there are. There could be 100 of them. That would be fine. Let's go ahead and click on OK. Now let's go ahead and open up one of those emails. We can see that the email sent, it's successfully customized. It does have my name there. And it says, please confirm that you'll be able to attend. So for this one, let's go ahead and click on yes. And it just says, thank you, your response was recorded. Let's go ahead and open up the other email that I sent. Okay, here's the second email that I sent. You could say it says, good morning, John. Please confirm that you'll attend. And let's say no for this one. And again, thank you for your response. If we go back to our spreadsheet now, okay, you'll see there's the poll results right there. So we have 1 yes, 1 no. You could also see that both individuals opened the email as well. And there's some other statistics over here on the right. So if I move my camera over here, you can see, again, this is probably more useful if you had more emails than 2. But nonetheless, we can see that those 2 emails, or 100% of those emails, have been opened. That's it. So that's how you can use yet another mail merge to send a custom email out to people, as well as send them a quick poll. If you're looking for something more complex, something with more questions, you're probably better off with a Google form. But if you just have one question that you need to ask people and want a high response rate because they don't have to fill anything out or go through multiple pages, they could just simply click on a link. This might be the way to go for you. I hope you found this tip valuable. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments below, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.